thus far over the past 7 days has earned $18,202. Hello everyone, what's up? It's your boy Jason, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can start making money on YouTube. The method that I'm about to show you is beginner friendly, and if you implement the steps that I'm about to show you, you can definitely start making money online. Anyways, the thing that I love about this method is it's available for everybody worldwide, and you can definitely use these steps as I say to start making money. If you like content like these on how to make money online, you should definitely hit the subscribe button, and I know you're going to like this video, so just go ahead from now and hit the like button. Anyways, how we are going to be using YouTube to make money is by doing affiliate marketing. Before I go any further into that, do you have Netflix or Disney Plus? I assume you do, as most people have some type of streaming platform that they use. Well, while your shows may be available in America, I maybe not be able to watch them in the Caribbean, or your friend in Canada maybe not be able to watch the same program that you have in America. So the thing about it is, to bridge this gap, a lot of people use VPN. And as you can see, if we should do a quick search on YouTube, as you can see here, how to watch American Netflix, you can see a lot of persons are searching for that. And if I should clear this, you can see here, how to watch American Netflix from anywhere. And by the way, when you see these search queries right here, the reason why these auto search come up, as you can see, report search predictions, is because a lot of persons are searching for this. So YouTube autofills these suggestions as they see that you're typing something right here. Now, the affiliate program that we'll be using is Pure VPN affiliate program. And as you can see here, their top affiliate thus far over the past 7 days has earned $18,202. Yes, that's crazy, right? And their affiliate program is very easy to sign up. All you need is a YouTube channel, and I assume you already have a YouTube channel if you are watching this. And as you can see, you will get a dedicated affiliate manager, real-time tracking, and they offer the industry's best payout. So their payout is actually better than Norton VPN and also ExpressVPN. And the thing about ExpressVPN, their sign up is actually complicated and their program is not as easy to get in as Pure VPN affiliate program is. And as you can see here, they show an example of how much you'll be able to earn. So for instance, you have 30 persons per month that sign up to the yearly program on Pure VPN. And their search is organic as they would search for it on YouTube. You can see here you'll be able to make $130 per month, and that would be $1,584 for the year. But I figure that most people will be signing up for the 1 month plan at first. So let's say they use the same organic as they'll be finding your link via YouTube. And let's say you have 100 persons that signed up, which isn't crazy and a high number. You'll be able to make $200 per month. How will you be able to do this? Well, as I'm saying, the VPN is able to bridge the gap, so no matter where you are in the world, you'll be able to watch, for instance, American Netflix, even if you're in Canada or in the Caribbean, and you'll be able to do that with whichever streaming platform, as VPNs allow you to cloak where you are in the world when you are using the internet. And it also offers persons better protection when you're online from scammers and from all of those stuff. It definitely works. And a lot of people use it. I'll be showing you 2 examples here of channels that are doing this. As you can see here, this channel right here, Geekman. And the thing I love about this niche also, you don't have to show your face. You can simply screen record and just simply talk about the benefits of a VPN, as there are so many benefits. And the beauty about Pure VPN is they're a trusted brand, as they have been around for a very long time. And as you can see here, he gets tons of views, and you can see daily videos he's releasing on different stuff. And here you can see he's reviewing the 5 best VPNs for Windows laptop. And as you can see, all he's doing is screen recording. So all you would need to create a YouTube channel, just give it a catchy name and simply sign up for the VPN program. As you can see, the cheapest one is for 99 cents. So you could sign up for the 1 month program for 99 cents and then simply do a walkthrough, and that's it. And you can simply do Google search, for instance, how to watch American Netflix. You can do a video on that, how to watch American Netflix from anywhere, and you can just use these keywords right here to start ranking. And you can see here, there are numerous keywords you can choose from. How to watch Naruto in order on Netflix. There are numerous options that you can use. And the beauty about PureVPN also, as you can see, if you should ever go on their page, you will see right in the top right hand corner where they have an option for YouTubers. If you should tap on that, it will lead you to this page where you can simply tap on this and start earning big money as a YouTuber. And if we should scroll down, you can see here, you'll get good returns and they will offer you endorsement. And it's very easy to fill out. As I say, their program is very easy to sign up to. All you will need to do is put in your name, email address, your channel link, and the amount of subscribers you have. I would recommend you do this program after you have gained a good amount of subscribers. But the first program here with the affiliate program, you can definitely do that now with 0 subscribers, as you will be waiting on YouTube to recommend your keywords. So you don't need a lot of subscribers for that. But to get their sponsorship, you would definitely need a lot of subscribers. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe.